Have you ever pondered why data analytics is becoming a buzzword in today's world? In this age of digital transformation, data has become the new oil, a resource so valuable, it's driving industries and economies. From healthcare to retail, from finance to entertainment, every sector is harnessing the power of data analytics. Why is this so? Well, data analytics allows businesses to make informed decisions. It provides insights into consumer behavior, market trends, and operational efficiency. It helps companies to understand not just what is happening now, but what might happen in the future. It's like having a crystal ball, but powered by hard facts and figures, rather than magic. This ability to predict and plan is invaluable in today's fast-paced, competitive markets. It's not just about keeping up anymore, it's about staying ahead. And that's why data analytics is not just a buzzword, but a critical tool for success. In essence, data analytics has become the backbone of successful businesses. To elucidate, let's delve into a case study of a renowned retail chain. This organization was facing a myriad of challenges, from dwindling customer retention to rampant inventory management issues. Despite their best efforts, these pressing concerns were affecting their bottom line and threatening their market position. This is where the power of data analytics came into play. The retail chain decided to leverage this advanced technology to address their pressing concerns. They integrated data analytics into their operations, employing it to analyze past sales, customer behavior, and inventory trends. With this newfound wealth of information, they were able to make informed decisions and strategic changes. By analyzing sales data, they could accurately predict sales trends, allowing them to optimize their inventory. No longer were they left with excess stock or faced with the issue of running out of popular items. The guesswork was replaced by precise predictions, leading to efficient inventory management. Simultaneously, the chain began to understand their customers better. Data analytics revealed patterns and trends in customer behavior that were previously unknown. They could see which products were popular with which demographic, what times of the day saw the most footfall, and even what kind of promotions elicited the best response. Armed with this information, they could tailor their marketing efforts, product placements, and promotions to match their customers' preferences. This personalized approach led to an increase in customer satisfaction and retention, translating to a boost in sales. But the benefits didn't stop there. The operational efficiency of the chain skyrocketed. The time and resources previously wasted on ineffective strategies were now being used effectively, thanks to the insights provided by data analytics. This case study clearly illustrates the transformative power of data analytics. By harnessing the power of data, the retail chain was able to turn their challenges into opportunities. They optimized their operations, increased their sales, and improved customer satisfaction. And all this was made possible by the strategic use of data analytics. Data analytics is not just a trend, it's a game changer. It's a tool that can bring about transformative changes in businesses, irrespective of their size or industry. And the case of this retail chain is a testament to that fact. So, what does the future hold for data analytics? As we delve deeper into the digital age, businesses are generating data at an unprecedented pace. This massive cascade of information holds the power to transform industries, making data analytics a crucial tool for the future. The need for skilled data analysts is set to skyrocket, providing a plethora of opportunities for those ready to ride the wave. With its ability to unlock insights and drive decision-making, data analytics is not just a trend, it's a revolution. Indeed, the future of data analytics looks bright and promising. Now it's over to you. We've explored the power of data analytics together and seen how it's transforming businesses. What are your thoughts? Feel free to like this video if it sparked your interest and share it with those who you think might also find it fascinating. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the intriguing world of data. Remember, the world of data is vast and intriguing. Stay curious, stay informed. Thank you for watching.